Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Kerr County AC and Heating, and today I'm going to be talking about the Armstrong brand. Who is Armstrong, how long have they been around, and how they're rated, as well as why we've chosen them as the recommended HVAC equipment for our company. If I had to summarize those reasons, they could be categorized into 3 bullets: quality, reliability, and quiet operation. Our company has been servicing and installing HVAC equipment since 1993. We've worked with many various brands of equipment across Houston and in Kerrville, from Trane, Goodman, which is now Daikin, American Standard, to Rude and Armstrong. Let's start with the history of the Armstrong brand, where and how they manufacture their equipment. In 1928, Lennox Furnace Company, one of America's leading manufacturing interests, created Armstrong Furnace in Columbus, Ohio. Today, Armstrong products are still assembled in the United States under the Allied Air name in Orangeburg, South Carolina. One of the key reasons we stand behind the quality and reliability of their equipment is proven by how they've gained the #1 spot on the Consumer Reports list under the predicted reliability for central air conditioning category over Trane, Lennox, Rude, and many other well-known brands. They have pro-built engineering process, which is their dedication to taking field experience to build a better product. Each system is tested with over 2,700 hours of trial test and 100% run tested before they leave the factory. Their equipment is also backed by a 10-year limited warranty on parts and includes extended warranty options with full unit replacement if installed by a pro team dealer like Kerr County AC and Heating. Their manufacturing process is also environmentally friendly, does not include any volatile organic compounds in any lubrication or painting process. Armstrong equipment also qualifies as Energy Star Most Efficient 2023. This is a new program that identifies the most efficient products among those that qualify for the Energy Star rating. Each product that receives this recognition demonstrates efficiency performance that is truly exceptional, inspirational, and leading edge. The third key reason why we stand behind the Armstrong equipment is for their incredibly quiet operation. They have quiet shift technology, which allows the heat pump to enter defrost mode without excessive noise. Since refrigerant pressure is allowed to equalize before the switch, the heat pump can dissipate performance-robbing frost and ice quietly. I hope this was knowledgeable and helped you get more familiar with the Armstrong brand and their HVAC products. We'd be happy to share more information with you if interested. You can always give us a call or ask your HVAC tech during your fall check. Thanks for watching and hope you have a good rest of your day.